accommodate workers who can't visit vaccination sites during the day, Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte has launched a vax program that opens at 6 p.m. The program is called QC Bakuna Nights. It aims to expand the reach of the city and immunize workers whose only free time is in the evening. On the first Bakuna night at the Quezon City Hall grounds, around 2,000 essential workers who were part of the A4 priority group were inoculated.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.